So still more cars are coming, of course, because there's still place available. So this here is a Chrysler 5th Avenue. I will also, of course, film this one. But well, now here, Opel Kadett B, so the second generation. This is the first coupe version that was built, the so-called Gill coupe, because this one has this more Italian design, as you can notice here. So unlike the Rally, and we have here these gills. Ah, really beautiful. What a lovely car. Opel Kadett L. Absolutely wonderful. Oh, and very cool. There's the estate of it coming, as you can notice here. So let's try to walk here. Try to get brilliant two-door estate. This has been a thing in Germany for a long time. Also absolutely amazing. Looking this way now. Oh, okay. BMW 733i. Oh, Commandeer, beautiful. Oh, a jeans Beetle, nice. Very nice. Seat. Verband. Oh, take a look at this airbrush. Wow. Super. Max Speedshop, I'm remembering this. Another YouTuber. But well, not the guy inside this one here, but he has at least the sticker of it. So, oh, a Fiat 850, I would say. And here Dodge Charger. This is probably the one that I was also filming in Zauberfeld. It's a little bit wet here because of the fountain. just here. And here, by the way, is the. Now it's a little bit windy now in this direction. I'm getting too wet. Anyway, Dodge Charger. And I hope the lens is not wet now. Absolutely cool, absolutely cool. Still a lot of cool cars. All Volkswagen 1302 LS, so the Luxus trim. Or fintail, very nice. Oh, so cool stuff. For sure, we also have a nice variation or nice variety of cars and well, vans. Take a look at this Fiat. Very cool. And some more stuff, as you can notice. So it's moving a little bit again. Oh, and take a look at this. Loving it, loving it. Weinsberg. So it's a camper. Fiat. Is it an 850? I'm not sure now. No, 238E. Ah, very nice. So, and here is also a lovely car. Absolutely loving these Ford Escort Mark 4. I'm always wondering if it's a Mark 3 or Mark 4, because the Mark 3 was looking kind of the same. Just a little bit different about the bumper. So it was kind of more like a facelift. Ah, wonderful. XR3i. wonderful. Oh wow. Bel Air. I really like these Escorts. Oh, another Bel Air. Oh, there's so much cool stuff coming. Walking in this direction because more and more cars are coming, very cool ones, like also this Lancia Delta HF Integrale. What a legend. And well, here are also already parking some of these cars. Lancia Fulvia, if I'm not mistaken. Wonderful coupe or coupe. Oh, beautiful Italian car. Back when Lancia was still a brand. Now, well, they're also trying again to come back, but Stellantis is a little bit worried about starting another brand from FCA to be back on sale. But actually these cars that they are designing are pretty cool looking. And for sure better than the rebadged Chrysler and Dodge cars. So, Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL, so it's a long wheelbase, 4.5 liters, amazing. But I don't want to say that these Chryslers and Dodges are bad cars, but I mean they aren't true Italian cars, so unlike this year, Alfa Romeo Giulietta Spider, if I'm not mistaken, because that's a stand a lot. So here you can see just only Alfa Romeo Milano. Oh, take a look at this interior, beautiful, beautiful. And here, Volkswagen Beetle, 1303. So this was the latest facelift, which was built until 1975 in Germany, with the more modern dashboard, the curved windshield. So now I'm trying to walk in reverse.
Ganz einfach.
So, well, now I'm walking off in the direction where the people are coming. So here the Alfa Romeo, beautiful car, absolutely lovely, lovely. Oh, really. Here the long wheelbase, W109, because this is a 300. So the 280 was the W108, and here also nice wheels, BBS wheels. Oh, also looking amazing. Could be one from the 80s, because I'm noticing it still has the old bumper, but it's already painted. Yep, from 1987. So from 1971. Oh, 50 horsepower. This is the 1.6 liter. Very beautiful convertible, probably in Mars red. (1302 LS), so Lexus trim with the chrome stuff. Beautiful. Here the jeans Beetle with jeans seats, so this was a special edition. And here the Opel Kadett B. Was it called Voyage or Caravan? I'm not sure now, but at least this is the estate, two-door estate. Back then these cars were most likely used by the craftsmen. So Opel Kadett C, so the third generation is City. So this was the one that should compete against the Volkswagen Golf. Nice little hatchback. Oh, beautiful color of this Porsche 911. Oh, loving these ATS wheels.
188 PS.
So, Opel Kadett C. And here is Kadett B. It's not so easy to film now because I'm very close to the road, or to the little way that's leading to the part where I've already filmed something. As you can tell, there's the LP truck, Mercedes LP. This here is also wonderful. A nice road yard. Mercury Cougar. Rockham, if I'm not mistaken. It's from 1979. Beautiful. And here's an Audi A8 GT. This is the facelift of my car. It even has the same alloys as I do. So also the wafer alloys, like we are calling them here. Mercedes-Benz 190 diesel W201. Today is also a special about these baby Benzes in Stuttgart, but as you can notice, I'm today here. No, it's not the D. I would think it's a D because of the D201. It's a 190E 2.0. Nice, nice, nice. So, it's the so-called most beautiful car from Germany, Bockwart Isabella Coupe. And it's really beautiful. Just take a look to the interior. Wow. I have this car as a die-cast model car in scale 1 to 18 in a two-tone color. Beautiful.